we will take very strong action. If they do such a thing, we will take very strong action.
آدم تهدید شده مزدور دشمن.
The Middle East is moving toward a dangerous turning point, and Iran is now facing one of the most serious crises in its modern history. Years of economic sanction, political isolation, corruption, and mismanagement have weakened the country from within. Inflation is soaring, the national currency has collapsed, and millions of the people are struggling to afford basic food and medicine. Across Iran, protests are growing in size and intensity. What began as economic frustration has now turned into nationwide movement demanding political change. Protesters are openly challenging the ruling system, and slogans are no longer about prices or jobs, but about the future of the regime itself. According to Unified reports, the son of Iran's supreme leader has transferred large amounts of money abroad, possibly to protect personal wealth in case of a political collapse. At the same time, several major Iranian banks are reportedly close to bankrupt. These banks are deeply connected to the military and security forces, meaning their failure could seriously damage the regime's ability of maintain control. The government's response has been severe. There are reports of mass arrests, internet blackout, material law in some regions, and rapid trials resulting in death sentences. While many of these reports have not been independently confirmed, human rights groups and foreign governments have expressed serious concern over the situation. International tensions are also rising. The United States and Israel have increased military activity in the region, including air force preparation and strategic movements. Although no official confirmation of an attack exists, their action have fueled fear of a possible military confrontation. In response, Russia and China have warned that any attack on Iran would have serious global consequences, and protesters continue to find ways to stay connected. Satellite internet service like Starlink have helped activities share information, organize demonstration, and communicate with the outside world. This digital connection has strengthened the protest movement, but has also triggered harsher crackdowns by other sides. Iran's economic collapse continues to deepen. The value of the currency keeps falling, businesses are closing, unemployment is rising, and hospitals are facing shortage of easily medicine. Medical supplies, sanction, and internal instability have pushed the country toward a humanitarian crisis, especially affecting young people and students who are now at the forefront of the protest. At the same time, our nuclear program remains a major source of international concern. Reports suggest that Iranian increase in the approaching dangerous levels, including fear of nuclear escalation. Many Iranians question why resources are being spent on nuclear projects while the population suffers from poverty and insecurity. Iran now stands at a historic crossroad. The regime faces growing internal resistance, economic collapse, and mounting external pressure. Whether this crisis leads to internal reform, regime collapse, or foreign intervention remains uncertain. What happens next in Iran will not only shape the country's future but could also define stability and power across the entire Middle East. Please support me. I am come to a new and this is my new YouTube channel and I am a Pakistani. Assalamu alaikum.